Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change language here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To change the language in Microsoft Planner, you'll need to adjust the language settings of your Microsoft 365 account. All right. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the My Plan section on the left side panel of your dashboard. And for example, you're working with a specific plan, just click on the task right here. Right. And for you to be able to change the language, it's very easy. All you're going to do is go to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon. Click on it, and there's going to be an option that says change your language. All right, click on it, and you would be forwarded here. Now, you will notice that you will be forwarded to the language and region. You have the display language, preferred language, and of course, the translation, and obviously the region. All right, now in this section, you have the preferred language. If you wanted to change it and modify that, you might want to click on the drop-down menu. And here you can add a language. All right. This is going to be the language you understand and use to create and consume content. Click on this button right here and you would notice that there's going to be a lot of languages that you can use. All right. So it's up to you. You can search the directory for the language that you wanted to check. You can scroll down to the language section and choose again the language you prefer from the available options. All right. I'm not gonna deal with this because I'm not gonna change the language, but obviously, for example, you wanted to change it from Latin, right? And click on select. I'm not gonna do with that right now. So I'm gonna hit and cancel. But the idea is if you encounter any problems changing your language here in Microsoft Planner, you might want to check with the Microsoft customer support. Okay, and of course, all you have to do is just select the product that you need help with, and that's going to be Microsoft 365. That includes the Microsoft Planner. You would be asked to choose from these options. You have the get home support or to use the non-admin user of a business account. All I have to do is choose from there, and once you get a hold of the customer support staff, they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.